cardinal in my front yard. Now we got a blue jay. I thought I would throw out bread for them. And winter's coming to an end, so they're starting to make nests and stuff. It's my front yard. Bellport, New York. Kind of looks pretty sad because all the leaves are off the trees and blah, blah. And we got a little sparrow over there. He's going to grab a little bread. Good for him. Those blue jays are extremely aggressive. Extremely. They chase everybody else away. Somehow they have I don't know, they have some signal that there's food here, because I throw it out 5 minutes later. I mean, there's like blue jays up in the trees right here. There's like loads of them. And they're coming from all different directions, so this is like an easy meal. Oh, here's another one. It's so funny. He's taking a couple of them. Oh, here's another one flying down. And we got a blackbird there. There's a squirrel over there. It's kind of funny. Mouthful of leaves. I don't know what he's doing there. Maybe building a nest. There's the blackbird. I'm going to grab some of this too. Some more blue jays. This goes on and on until every last bit of bread is gone. It's interesting wildlife, that's for sure. Oh man, just one after the next. Free food over here. Bellport, New York. Oh, we got a cardinal, yeah. Oh, there's a female cardinal. She's got red over there, but not as much as the male. The male's down below. She's about 5 feet above him. Oh, we got the squirrel. He's like, what is this? Oh, he's gonna be selfish or greedy. He's gonna take a bunch of pieces. The birds don't seem to be scared of. There's the female cardinal. Come on, grab the food and go before them blue jays come around again. Come on, do it. You can do it. That's so funny. There's so many blue jays in the trees right now. It's unbelievable. In front of my house. Look at this. He's going to eat one and take another. Oh, there comes another one getting ready to come down. Anyhow, I'm about to end this video, but I think everybody's pretty hungry. I can't believe this squirrel's grabbing bread. So it goes. Grab the last pieces. I'm rooting for the Cardinals. The Blue Jays are just so aggressive. Come on, Cardinals, up in a tree there. Come down. Come on, come on, come on. Get one of the last pieces. The squirrel's going to sit there and eat all day and eat them all. Squirrel, you got acorns tucked away. Look at this little piggy. This little guy over here. Come on, Cardinal, come down, come down. Oh. There were many pieces out there. It's about a 5-minute video, probably longer than I wanted to do, but this is interesting. To me, anyhow. Oh, he's going to eat all the rest of the squirrel. All right, that's about it. Go ahead, come on, take the last piece. Oh, shoot. All right.